Hi, I'm Gretchen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tink back your stitches or unknit if you have made a mistake for some reason or need to rip a row out. So in this case you can see I have just a little thing that I'm working here, but I have this big loop of yarn that accidentally got caught on this edge because I didn't tension it well enough when I moved my carriage across, and I don't really want that, and I only have a few stitches, so I'm just going to go ahead and rip it back. So in order to do that, all I need to do is lift the yarn and just pull it back so that the stitch on the row below just goes right back on the needle. So again, just lift the yarn and that should put the stitch, and sometimes you can see I just pulled the needle forward a little bit. Sometimes pulling the needle forward is the easiest way to do this. Again, lift, move the yarn back, lift, move the yarn back. And you can get pretty fast at this. And then I'll just go ahead and move my carriage back to this side of my work so that I can rework that row.